people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly and most welcome. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an aging remedy. Now this aging remedy is going to renew your age. It's going to make you look younger. It's going to remove all blemishes, wrinkles and fine lines, and it's going to scrub out the dead skin cells and revealing a more vibrant new skin. So if you want to know what this comprises, please do continue watching, and don't you forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, do that on my website, and the link will be at my description box and at my comment section. Follow me on Instagram. Now let's dive into this video. Ingredients we are going to be needing is some starch. Okay, so we're going to be needing some starch. This is actually the normal starch they use in cooking. So you need some starch. Starch helps to firm up the skin. It helps to reduce the appearances of large and open pores, and it also helps to reduce the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines because it helps to tighten up the skin, removing inflammations and pimples. Now for the starch, I'm going to be taking half tablespoon of the starch. Okay, and then we're going to be needing raw rice. Okay, so in this rice I'm going to be needing the cooked one. Alright, I'm going to be, because in the cooked rice there are more starch. Okay, since we'll be making use of the normal starch, we're also going to be making use of the starch from the rice. Rice also contains a lightening property and vitamin E, which helps to increase the skin elasticity, and this also helps to aid the skin for a younger looking. And then I have some cooked rice, so I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of that because we need much of that. We are going to be needing will be aloe vera. So you can actually use the fresh aloe vera or the processed aloe vera. Aloe vera is great for the skin. Aloe vera leaves you looking younger. Aloe vera makes your skin smooth. Aloe vera helps your skin glow. It helps in removing pimples, fine lines, and also pigmentation. Alright guys, so to prepare the aloe vera, I'm going to be cutting the 2 sharp edges. Okay, and then I would have to open this up. So you should have learned how to extract your aloe vera gel by now if you've actually been watching my video right from the start. Okay, so for me to get the juice, I'm going to be scraping it this way. You have to be careful guys. If you can't do it this way, you just remove all of the gel and then you put it in a blender and blend it. That way it's going to cut the slimeness of the aloe vera. We're going to be needing cucumber. Now cucumber contains a lot of water, and it also contains vitamin E that helps to increase the skin elasticity, and it therefore helps to diminishes the appearances of aging skin and remove wrinkles and fine lines. Cucumber is one source of younger looking skin that you need to cultivate in your everyday beauty. Yeah. And also for the cucumber, I'll be cutting just a little bit of cucumber. Then I would have to grate the cucumber to get the juice. So I'm going to be doing this in a circular motion guys. You can as well blend yours if you can't grate it. Okay, so to save your time, so I'm doing it this way so that the juice can come out in large quantity. To be straining out the juice, because we need just the juice for this treatment. So I have to press that so I can get the juice, although we don't need too much of juice here. So just this little is going to go a long way. And then you're going to take 1 tablespoon of that into the treatment, okay? After that, you can stir this all up. You stir the ingredients so well. Now the aloe vera is going to be slimy, but with the help of the starch and also the rice, the boiled rice, just there. So we have to do it this way so it can actually mix so well, okay? Alright, so it's actually very thick, so I'll have to put in more of the cucumber juice. So I'll put in 2 tablespoons more. So invariably we have 3 tablespoons of the cucumber juice in this treatment, okay? So it can be friendly to use on the face. So now we'll have to stir this all up so it can be a little bit liquid. And the consistency matters a whole lot, okay? Alright guys, so for this treatment you can actually use it 3 to 4 times in a day, in a week, okay? And you are going to be looking younger and younger and younger. If you want to apply it on your body, you can. If you want to apply it on your face, you can. It's actually going to be really nice, okay? So first I'm going to be applying it on my body so you guys can see, and I'm also going to be applying it on my face. So it's going to be like this, really thick, okay? So when it's dry, you go wash it off. That's it. When you apply it on your body, you give it a little scrub. Alright guys, so here's the treatment. You can actually use it on your face or on your body, just like I earlier showed you, okay? So that's actually the reason why I'm actually putting on this towel right now. So when it wants to fall, it will just fall on the towel, you know. I don't want it to fall on my body, except I'm actually going to be scrubbing my whole body. Okay, so you scrub, you rub this, and for your face you don't actually need to scrub it too much, just a little. So when you apply this, you have to leave it on your face for a couple of minutes, okay? And then you just wash it off. Remember to wash it off with a normal water. Don't wash it off with warm water, okay? Warm water is not required for this particular treatment, okay? So you have to use toilet soap, guys. Remember to always use toilet soap when you're washing your treatment. Is usually very effective that way, okay? Oops, they've actually covered. The generator noise is gone. Okay, so after you've done this, then you have to use a toilet soap to wash out the um remaining on your skin. Okay, and your skin is just gonna be looking glowing. Like right now there's no light. I'm not using the light here in this phone because I'm actually using a phone right now to record, and there is no light in this room. And look at my skin. Like, this is how my skin is, like glowing, beautiful and radiant. So if you want to renew your age and look younger than your age, like deceive people up and down, do try this remedy. It's gonna be very, 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 very nice, like very sweet, very friendly. You can apply it on your body, on your face, your neck, your everywhere. Okay, it's gonna renew your age. So that's it. If you did love the video, please share the video, thumbs up this channel, thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, if you want to ask me any personal, curious or beauty questions, drop them on my website. The link will be at my description box. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye guys.